Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve a very dewy skin for my dry skin. Because right now, my skin is super dry, like the Sahara Desert, very dry. I do have like patches that are extremely dry and they're like flaking. And today, I'm going to be showing you what products has helped with my skin and how to create a dewy effect without being overdone and how it has helped with my skin. I do hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here to my channel, hello, my name is Paulina. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would deeply appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and let's get started with this tutorial. My skin right now, it's not doing its best. I am breaking out a lot, which is not good. I've been stressing a lot, and then I think too the mask is causing me to have breakouts, and it's not good. And I've been looking for a new product for my skin. Any recommendations, just leave it down below, please, because I really want to know. I really want to test a new skincare routine and see if this situation is alleviated. I did use Practive for a while and it did help, but I don't want to use it for a long periods of time. I definitely want to find something that really helps with my skin. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below so I could check them out. So the first thing that I'm going to apply, it's going to be this Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. I've been loving this cream to prime my skin. It covers my pores and it just looks really nice on the skin, and it also has avocado, which helps with your skin. And I always take whatever I have first on the cap and then I use the rest, but I always like to try the cap first. And it's a really thick cream, which is good because usually for face creams I don't like them to be a little bit too greasy, and this one is just thick and nice. And right here I'm super dry, I don't know why. And for my base today, I'm going to go with this Tinted Face Oil by Kosas, and this is in shade 3. I was going to use a foundation, but right now my foundations are too light for me. I did got a little bit of a tan, and they're extremely light for me today, so I'm going to go with this Tinted Face Oil and apply this, and I'm going to use a brush to apply it. I'm also in the hunt for a new foundation too. I don't know what foundation to go to. I saw that Too Faced came out with a new foundation, so I don't know if I want to try that one. I really like this Tinted Face Oil. It does give you like a nice shine to the skin without being too much, especially if you're looking for products that gives you a little bit of coverage. This is the product to go with. I just wish that this had an SPF. That would have been really perfect right now for the summer. And for concealer, I'm going to go with this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. Definitely because I did went with a very oily base, I do want to go with a matte concealer, and this is going to help with that. I'm going to apply a little bit under my eye here because this is like extremely full coverage. A little bit here, and then I'm just going to go over where I have like some dark spots, some pimples that are shining through. I'm going to leave my face alone for a couple of minutes because I want all of those products to sink into my face, especially because we use that face oil and then that concealer, and I really want everything to settle onto my skin before going with blush and bronzer and all of that. So I'm going to go with this Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension to my eyebrows. And I'm in shade 5. I think I need to go up to shade 6 because it's a little bit too light for me. And just so my face doesn't look a little bit too shiny, I'm going to go with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm going to use the same brush that I was using for my foundation. I'm going to grab a little bit of powder and press this onto my skin here. For bronzer, I'm going to take this Coverfx Monochromatic Bronzer. Temples. And then on top of that bronzer, I'm going to be applying this Mineral Baked Bronzer by Ilmakiage. And this is in shade Paparazzi. It is more like a pinkish golden bronzer. So I'm going to use that bronzer. And for blush, I'm going to go with this blush from Lorac, and this is the Aurora shade. It's more like a pinkish shade. It doesn't have, it's a matte blush, which I love, especially because we went with that very sparkly baked bronzer. So I'm just going to add a little bit of blush here. And to keep it simple on the eyes, I'm actually going to use the Coverfx Monochromatic Bronzer. I'm going to take the matte shade and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. I'm going to take this huge brush to apply it. I was going to put fake eyelashes, but I'm not going anywhere, so why waste them? And I don't feel like putting on fake lashes today. So today I'm going to go with this Lash Freak Urban Decay Mascara. It's one of their newest mascaras that they launched, and so far I really like it. For lips today, I'm going to go with this Ilmakiage Waterproof Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Coffee. So I'm just going to lip line my lips. And because my skin is really dry right now, I'm going to go with this Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Although we did use that tinted face oil and it's kind of oily, I do feel like with this mist, it works very well together. And right now my skin needs it. I am super dry and this face mist just helps with that. This is a completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would deeply appreciate it if you would hit that red button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.